I do thank you for joining me. This here is a warmiplanet 62-inch ceiling fan for your living room, kitchen, dining room, bedroom, anywhere you want to hang that you got enough room for it. In our work area, we're going to hang here and demonstrate and show you, present it to you. It's a nice box with information. We have an instruction guide. We have the fan, the blades. They come also packed. They're two-tone. You have a choice of black or grain, brownish color. You're going to have the option of a number of poles, a nice long pole and a medium pole. We have here is the hanging bracket. It's on your screw. I have my leads here ready to go. Go on the top and the bottom of the motor. We have some O-rings, and that's it. Get this all out of our way. Made of allied aluminum with a plastic covering. I'll come nice and close for you so you can see the craftsmanship. Plastic, metal on top. And now I have to take 3 screws, be careful, and they go on a particular order. I have 8 blades to build. I take a electric drill instead, and I lock them down a lot faster. And once we take out that one screw, we drop it down. We take out that bar, and this comes out like so. And we are going to switch on over. It is spinned on. It'll come off when we need to hook up the top. Lift your ceiling fan out of the way. Lock into place. Woo! Just in time for the fan because I need to have some cool air blowing. You're given some wires, extension wires. They're not needed, but if you need to use them, there you go. All the controls are at your fingertips, remote control with a switch on the wall to turn your fan on and hook up your light. If we go over through the remote control, it's very easy to operate. If your fan is wobbling, you're given a wobbling kit so you could correct it. We have 1 hour, 3 hour, 6 hour timer, 6 speeds, and we have a light. If we press off the light again and turn it on, it goes on to the soft Kelvin. 3000 off, 4000 off, 6000 Kelvin. If we want to dim it, there's no dim. Normally you will hold, and it's very strong to get over it. And once it's on there and you find the right area and it's not wobbling, then you take the magnet strip and you put it on in the center, right where that thing is at. It's a lot of adjustments to get it to go. And there you go. And that's how you do it. 62-inch, 2 colors, black or brown grain. The black has a grain as well. It has 2 lengths to hang up, and the blades are flexible and they're made of plastic, strong plastic. Easy to clean and maintain, DC motor, very quiet indeed. I hope you enjoy this product from warmiplanet, your 62-inch ceiling fan. Thank you very much for your time.